everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Hey! So another new angle, just trying to keep you on your toes. I'm currently working on this little bite. So I just have that in the background, but I had a package come in. It is open because it had my husband's name on it because I used our PayPal account that has his name, but I haven't looked inside yet. But I know what it is. I'm super excited. So, yeah, all right. So, I have seen this on a few channels, but I wanted to get one myself. And this is a double spout butterfly diamond painting tray. It's created by My3Ddesigns, and it was $10.95, and then you had shipping, and I got the color silver. And then what I love is it has this little piece that you can fit in the middle. And now the tray can hold two different colors. It also has two different spouts on the end so that you can have two different colors. I thought this was a genius idea. He does have a ladybug one as well. The only thing I see is, I don't know, it's a little rough around the edges. You know, it was created by a 3D printer, but it does have a couple sharp areas, so it's not quite perfect, but I still thought it was a great idea. If I like how it works, I may get more of these. I do have a large tray from another company that I am quite loyal to, and they are down below in the description box. You can see for trays, check them out. They also make diamond grinders, but I thought I would give this a try. So this is My3Ddesigns, and with my one little bite, I have two different blues I'm working on up here. So I am going to pour this blue in here, and then the other blue that I need is 3846, and I have to cut those little baggies open. So 3846, we'll do two of those baggies over here, and we'll see. I have an upcoming drill with me. We'll see how well this works, and if I like it, if it pours out nicely. The only thing I see as a negative is if you have two colors and you're done and you haven't used them up and you try to pour them out of the spouts up top. You know, it might be really hard to pour them out at the same time. Alright, so I'm shaking it up there. Seems to be going pretty good. Nice. It doesn't... You have to be careful because this is a smooth ramp. They might come up. I don't know. I'm not shaking too hard. But yeah, so I have two different blues. You do need to make sure that this thing is down tight. So I might get a little piece of wax or something because I tend to use it as two trays versus one tray at all times. So yeah, that is my new product. I hope you will check them out, see what you think. My next draw with me, I will be using this tray, and we'll see how it goes. Until next time, take care, everybody. And, oops, I had some out here that fell. You probably saw that before I did. All right, so until next time, be blessed, have an amazing week, and I will see you later.